Bonjour à tous. Today again I am going to teach you last topic of articles, that is les articles contractés, contracted articles. So before starting, it is important to know what are contracted articles. So actually contracted articles are combination of preposition agram or de with definite articles le, la, alias and yes of course and also. So here you can see whenever you are going to talk like if you want to say I am speaking to the boy, to the boy. So to the actually combination of definite article and preposition, they are contracted articles. So now let's start with this. Agram preposition plus le definite article, it will be au pronunciation will be o means to, at, in the, we use for to, at, in the. O is used with masculine singular common noun and a masculine country. In French, masculine country, I must tell you this also, masculine country, what is actually this word is, whenever a name in French, a name is ending with E, it will be feminine country, and without E, it will be masculine country. And for continents, actually, we say plural countries, like United States, Netherlands, and West Indies. So we count them with plural words. So you can see here, AU is used with masculine singular common noun and a masculine country. Here example, je parle au garçon. Je parle au garçon. I am speaking to the boy. To the boy. Garçon. This garçon is masculine singular. That's why you can see AU is there. Then another one. Elle va au Canada. Elle va au Canada. She is going to Canada. Now, you can see here Canada is a country and it is not ending with E, so it is masculine. So that's why AU is there. Another word is agram plus LA, which is ala. Space should be there between I and la. Ala, meaning again will remain the same, to the, at the, in the. It is used with feminine singular common nouns, only feminine singular common nouns, not countries. Example you can see, nous allons à la boulangerie. Nous allons à la boulangerie. We are going to the bakery. Bakery. Boulangerie is feminine word, that feminine singular common noun. That's why à la. Then il parle à la fille. Il parle à la fille. He is speaking to the girl. Girl again is feminine common noun. So à la. The next word is agram plus alias, which will be aux. Pronunciation will be o. Meaning again will remain the same, to the, at the, in the. It is used with a masculine and a feminine plural common noun and a plural country. Plural country, that is continent. US or West Indies or Netherlands. So I will tell you in French also these words. Je parle au garçon. Je parle au garçon or aux filles. I am speaking to the boys or girls, for both. Plural, we use AUX. Je parle aux garçons, je parle aux filles. Then mon père va aux États-Unis. Mon père va aux États-Unis. My father is going to US. US, United States. We use as plural. So mon père va aux États-Unis. Now, we have, here you can see preposition agram. Now I am going to just tell you about combination of preposition de and le. So de and le will change to du, so it will be due, meaning of, from, about, of, from, about, the, also, of, from, about, the, also. It is used with a masculine singular common noun and a masculine country, as in AU. C'est le livre du garçon. C'est le livre du garçon. This is the book of the boy. Of the boy. Again, garçon is masculine singular, to du garçon. Ma tante vient du Japon. Ma tante vient du Japon. My aunt is coming from Japan. Japan is masculine. That's why du. Next one, like ala, dala, de plus la, dala. Meaning again will remain the same, of, from, about, the, but it is used with a feminine singular common noun and a feminine country also. And a feminine country also. So here you can see, ce sont les robes de la fille. Ce sont les robes de la fille. These are the dresses of the girl. Girl is feminine, that's why de la. Mon oncle arrive de la France. My uncle is arriving from France. De la France, from France. Then de plus les, des, again meaning will remain the same, of, from, about, the, of, the, from, the, about. So it is used in masculine, feminine, plural, common nouns and plural country. Again like US, Netherlands and West Indies. So here you can see, ce sont les cahiers des étudiants. Ce sont les cahiers des étudiants. These are the notebooks of the students. Students, plural, to DES. Then, mon cousin vient des États-Unis. Mon cousin vient des États-Unis. My cousin is coming from US, United States. Okay, so because this is plural continent, so we will use DES. Now here you can see two notes also. AU and ALA. AU and ALA will change to A graph L apostrophe before a word starting with A, E, I, O, U, H and Y, like definite article LE and LA, partitive articles DU, DALA. In contracted articles also AU and ALA will change to A graph L apostrophe before a word starting with A, E, I, O, U, H and Y. So here you can see example also, l'enfant va à l'école. The child is going to school. The school is feminine word. So ALA and ALA will change to A graph L apostrophe. Then again the same way, le professeur parle à l'étudiant. Le professeur parle à l'étudiant. So the teacher is speaking to the student. The student is starting with a vowel and singular also, A graph L apostrophe. Then the same way, DU and DALA will change to DEL apostrophe. DU and DALA will change to DEL apostrophe before a word is starting with A, E, I, O, U, H and Y. You can see example also. C'est la chemise de l'homme. This is the shirt of the man. O is starting with H. So DU will change to DEL apostrophe. C'est la chemise de l'homme. This is the shirt of the man. Then mon ami arrive de l'Espagne. Mon ami arrive de l'Espagne. My friend is arriving or coming from Spain. Espagne, Spain is starting with a vowel. So again, L will change to L apostrophe. So mon ami arrive de l'Espagne. So these are 6 words. These are 6 words: AU, ALA, AUX, DU, DALA, DES. These are 6 words. These are contracted articles, combination of preposition A graph and DE. Now I am going to tell you how to find out answers of exercise. How to find out answers of exercise. Here you can see exercise. Question 1. Complétez avec les articles contractés. Here you can see number 1. Numéro 1. Ce sont les fauteuils des vieilles femmes et des grands-pères. These are the armchairs of the old woman and of the grandfather. Old woman, feminine singular, de la, D-E-L apostrophe. Grand-père, masculine singular, du. So, ce sont les fauteuils de la vieille femme et du grand-père. Numéro 2, la taille des vestes est bonne. The size of the jacket is good. Of the jacket. You have to find out the gender or number of this waist. Waist is not plural. It is not starting with a vowel also. So this is waist simple feminine word. So la taille de la veste est bonne. The size of the jacket is good. Numéro 3. Allez-vous des théâtres ou des villas, mes enfants? Are you going to the theater or to the villa? My children, so simple theater is a word which is ending with E, but it is masculine. So we will use du. Allez-vous, not du actually, allez-vous au, to the. So allez-vous au, au théâtre ou à la villa? À la. So à la. Numéro 4, voilà les motos dash institutrices et dash étudiants anglais. So voilà means there are also. So there are the bikes of the teacher and of the British student. Étudiant anglais, British student. Teacher, simple, this is institutrice, this is feminine singular word. And it is starting with a vowel also. So voilà les motos of the D-E-L apostrophe, the last D-E-L apostrophe, the last institutrice A DE again L apostrophe because it's also starting with a vowel. So DEL apostrophe, both blanks you have to fill with DEL apostrophe. So voilà les motos de l'institutrice et de l'étudiant anglais. Then numéro 5, je parle dash voisin dash dame espagnol. I am speaking to the neighbor of the Spanish lady. Spanish lady. तो je parle, this is simple masculine singular. तो au voisin, je parle au voisin de la D-E-L-A, de la dame espagnole. I am speaking to the neighbor of the Spanish women. Now, I am going to show you something else. What actually now we have already completed indefinite articles, definite articles, partitive articles, and contracted articles, and I show you how to find out answers of all these topics separately. But you will also get exercises like this. Question numéro 2. Complétez avec les articles convenants. Complete with convenient articles. In this exercise, you have to find out from which word you have to fill the blank. So you have to find out yourself. Like in first word, if you can see, il naya pa dash enfant dot dash canteen. So you have to translate the sentence in English. Il naya pa dash enfant. There are no children in the canteen. There are no children. If suppose you are going to say there are children, there are some children in the canteen, the answer will be des, des enfants, il y a des enfants dans la cantine. But because this is negative form, so des will change to de and vowel is there, so it will change to d apostrophe. Il n'y a pas d'enfant. D apostrophe enfant dans la. Elle est la cantine. Then another dash waste, dash farm et dans dash armoire. So here you have to use different articles in different things. Dash jacket, dash woman is in dash cupboard. So if you will translate in English, it will be the jacket of the woman is in the cupboard. The jacket, the means definite article. It is feminine word, singular, elle, la veste. Then of the woman, woman is of the woman. मतलब we are using contracted article. So of the woman, this is de la femme et dans dash armoire, in the cupboard. Cupboard is starting with vowel. It will be L apostrophe. So la, elle est la veste de la D-E-L-A, de la femme et dans l'armoire. So in this type of exercise, you have to find out which article you have to use. So we have completed all 4 articles: indefinite articles, definite articles, partitive articles, contracted articles. I will post notes and exercise PDF of exercise of these topics later. So if you like the video, please do like it, comment it, and don't forget to, yes of course, subscribe the channel. Last but not the least, merci et bonne journée, au revoir.